welcome to WASD. Today we are at the LARIAN Studios and we are here to make a documentation about how to get a job in the game industry. Hello, can we do a short interview with you?
My name is Tristan. I'm the lead artist at LARIAN Studios. As a lead artist, you don't make art anymore. What you do, you follow up your artists. You see if they can get their goals, if they can make their goals. What I also do whenever they have like technical problems, the editor doesn't work, for example, I always step in, make sure that they can continue, so they have not a lot of moments where they're frustrated and angry and stuff. So that's about my job. So
Well, I started as a designer on Divinity 2, the previous game that Larian made. That was about 5 years ago. And I was hired as a scripter and quest designer, so I was part of the team that came up with all the stories, the little stories that we have in the game. And we had to implement them as well by using our script engine and dialogue system. So that's what I did on Divinity 2. I think that's the key thing for any job in the games industry is mainly creativity, imagination, and problem solving as well, because we always have to overcome obstacles, and so yeah, that's the main thing.